Abusuafo esa mamachi ya mama ha ya mamajo ebion de badje Ghana television eso wo de nse bomodin first time near the best stress bomodin subscribe follow comment na share efa mi se na bia bring na no ya latest update no so wonsa ebetimi akan bi ama bibia timi akoso kama the flight edwumadi eni eda saka se pa na be ma ya boafo abena binom timi abo yan chidoma ya Glitter and Glow Cosmetics sanso na general organ foods and Kinaata Teba Center wo de nse sren ku papa didie na kopie mo wotina tet for akachrom timi hwehwe wapom din mu nyina ma bia timi koso kama numbers na edi ehimo kasamfoni na sinti wo de nse frɛ wo mo na afia ne omo endi enkita ho na the flight edwumadi woni tua se Ghana television dia see we always stand for the truth enti ni nsɛm no se baba to from na se fata se ye wo se ye de esom nkwan de a abusua ye de ebeba aba besom na abusua yi ye busa se aso Ghana ha se asofo akuku da mabrempon ye titire ni ntire nyina bi obi asori a na nipa asomasi na nyankopon yi a kire me se wono na ebeba befa Ghana be mu akonya na ebusa se nyame adoma on the 4th of November presidential primaries a eba be koso no hwan na eba be di nkunim na asofo ben na wakasa se no matter what candidate baako wotwe ne mutan wonwini ebusia mayonkom na ebusia se ye sofo ben a stay tuned ma na ho sima ye ba afi ye bebo edi ewrem yonkom na sisi a
me wa London baby am wo ye Walthamstow wo we hie nkun yi bi se wo Manchester wo Birmingham wo Northampton wo Southampton Milton Keynes outside London baby wo contact me mami wusu ana se Helena baby a wo bia so far as I wo betua wo postage ye be postu e di abrel se wo ye kokko se wo ye tuntum wo ye ho ne ho kala bia wo ye wo bi ho ye fita be enku bia wo pe bia wo benya bi ana obi wo ho a wasra I had enku no odin no na ma ne kala no ni body na ye basa hydroquine no asay kala no na se wunya Glitter and Glow na wo start it beginning no ubehu se repair wo color no ubeye kama ubeye kama say de mijina hoy small girl hey enku no baby anya fe na wo betete samna asra wo ho obi ho na nso oben ye wo na nso oben cream ye wo can I say stretch marks bibia anomu ye wo whitening wo se wo a wo ye kokko wo ye fita wo pese wo ye fita bibia wo pa wo hwi wo ringe Santiago kra anase na brown wo Ghana enku bia wo pe bia wo benya bi na me de me ka landing for contact me a bibia wo bia me de bebrel me wo fie 24 hours enti anytime bia opesa wo frɛ me numbers me enu nyina so a ba bia wo bia de how bia wo ka kyerɛ me a me sort problem na ma Glitter and Glow na ye wia ne aba organic product so konkonte enkate rere edien esese kwa de wache powder ye wo prekese powder ye wo ginger powder ye wo honey wo ho bibia konkonte ye echese enwo zomi everything bibia wo de wo hwehwe sa product ya Ghana hwehwe Nana Brown anase Mr Santiago eba landing so a contact mami wusia Helena bibia wo bia no ye di bibebro bibia wo ho wache powder kran so e wo ho enti bibia ni ho a wo hwehwe a won sanka enti ni nyina ye Glitter and Glow. Yeah,
I have for some more baby Ghana television so any audience first time now subscribe follow comment if I am enough yentimi any enkita ho ni ye pepepe comment nyina betimi de gu comment section ni mu e brese mu no ye no esan ebedi ehyemu na busuan wonim se nyame yadoma on the 4th of November ya bosumi eda ye nim ya MPP for presidential primaries ya kwa akoto aba kwa the flag bearer na no ante se mpanifo bebiri atwetwetwe omoto e de free MPP amanyo kodem dodo na nso na wo mombo kwante se da nche bia no ye betimi eto omo so aba na afia yi ni se frankatufo na no ante se prophet Nigel Gaizile obese pro wasa baba kase bio se pa se wono wo behwe se ye honorable Kennedy Agyapong akompreko wo beba ababe wi ni se oye flag bearer ade ama MPP no ene na wono prophet Gaizile ne nyankopon no wonte ase na wo say wo hwe kwan ya Kennedy Agyapong ede ne fa so brebi pa na sabre wo se nyankopon kura ka ten se on professor about Kennedy Agyapong a obeka ten nyankopon se we de agya wa na wa frame so no mensa nye bio odi nsem nyina tuodwa e wo joy prime dwumadi bia na e koso a yeyi ba tie ne se guest wo mra na afie ne no entwetwe nkomo na ho na prophet Nigel Gaizile de nsem nya kokoto dwa se dia honorable Kennedy Agyapong dia ye no won wini 4th November election a ebe koso won wini takumpu na nkwampaso akwa wini sempo na mpo se twede mpon kwa menyankopon ka de to na no se won gro kokko kan che Kennedy Agyapong se wo be wini a obeka che nyankopon se na nei eja wona wo bo me ba wiase wona wo ma metumi ne so ma we pa de ebe din me nkonne na makocha yankonne ti prophet Nigel Gaizile nsema wodi twudwa ibi mra
4th November they go to the polls to elect presidential flag bearer. Will he win?
I saw that Baumia win.
Okay.
Yeah, Baumia. It is for Alan, but he grabbed it to he's taking it. Oh. Yeah, prophetically it's for Alan. I said it, I was inspired to say 2.5 years ago or so, but they've twisted his hands. I saw that Alan was on a horse, and I saw that he was bleeding. I said this by the inspiration of about 2 years ago. Okay. And I saw that Baumia will take it, so Baumia will take it. As at January, February, March there, it was between Kennedy. You see, if not for what Kennedy Agyapong did to some of us, he stood a very good chance. But he has messed it up. Yeah, if not, and I think that when he is alone on his pillow, he will regret some of these regrettable regrets. If not, he's a fine man, very, very fine man, very, very fine man. But for what he has done, I don't even because of my sake, for me alone, my sake, there's no way God will honor him.
Oh, really?
No. Some of us have covenant before God. Some of us have walked with God. Some of us have served God. That you attack me. It's unfortunate. I still love him. I love them.
So if not for what he did to you, he could have become the flag bearer?
Yeah, if not for, you see, I'm friendly. I'm a social media friendly person. I've been reading.
Very friendly.
Yeah. See, what he did to the church, even if they give the nod to him, some of us will pray and fight that it should not be. Because this, you want to be, once you are not president, you can lie on people. You can lie. I lead a congregation. At that time, before you attack my own night, about 2,500 people.
You had a huge number.
Very huge number. It dropped like that. Attack Bedikobi dropped like that. Attack us dropped like that. If nobody's above attack, nobody's above. If we are doing something wrong, nobody's above that. But bring the evidence, bring the material. I always tell people that anything that we have been accused of, has anybody bring material evidence to support it? It's just the figment of their imagination. They feel that, oh, the guy is NDC. I'm not NDC. If you check, I'm even MPP. Because those times when we're Legon, they program us in that the
Kufuor era, right?
Yeah, the Kufuor era. They program us that low level, quote unquote, low level people are in NDC, uneducated people are in NDC. You know, so we're programmed to be capitalists, not socialists. So I believe in capitalism, but with time I become a utilitarian instead of being a capitalist. So I am more pro-capitalist, more pro-MPP than NDC. Just that it's the work I'm doing. The Lord said this. When the Lord said 2016, Nana Addo will be president, we supported it. I was in America, the Lord said, tell Kandapa to tighten the security. I said it. So if I say this is not good, it's not me, don't attack me. So Kennedy Agyapong, for me, I saw as we speak, till something changes before November 4, Baumia win.
Yeah. Will Kennedy still remain a member of the NPP?
That I've not prayed. I don't even pray about. I don't pray about those things. It's the Lord that shows me.
Okay.
So far, what I've seen is that after I think last 2.5 months is Baumia that I saw. Okay. And if we see anything again, we'll say.
Yes, I'm Wakwa baby. That was from Prophet Nigel Gaizile. Ebushina just like I say, and everyone have for being a binom to me a boy and a children. My Glit and Glow Cosmetics and Suna General Organic Force and a Kinaata Herbal Center. What do you say? Bomba de DDS and Papa. Konokopi o makache ayeti na tetefo akatina for mutimi mu a apomden manisipi ensita se na be yobese Christmas ye betima wi akokɔ hips ni be betima wi akokɔ atiko akokɔ motom ye betimi ahwi bi ma bibia timi akoso kama me da sakase na ebema me producer on duty enne edwon poku search for Kimberg so na me ametina bi amhyen mu media amje so me de msomfo nana K Jesse Abrante ma refi so be subscribe be follow be comment na afi wa share de amaye. Have a wonderful good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Ebre se mu no me sa no be de hye mu bio makrao.
Sorry. Oh, Doc. Yes, I know Doc. I want to know a day. No, that's why she I've said, I don't know. No, say the young kukru. So, your stomach was up, said the young. Had been so as I become. A damn cranny, meaning said if you are forcing a, I don't know.
Test results natural say when you malaria on the mojo.
Yeah, 3D.
Yes, malaria. Nani yem no so we no here. Tinatet tomac, and a tinatet malake. Famano nano hobetono.
Malake, anything at a tomac. I'm on my free.
Tinatet malake, eyama ubi awanya malaria fever. Ena tinatet tomac mixture, eyama ubi awanya heartburn, indigestion, ena ni yem eyeneya. Tinatet drui, FDA ahwehwe magia tum se eye.